I declared martial law.
Baba si Marcos!
Paalisin si
Baba si
Marcos!
Marcos!
Baba si Marcos!
Baba si...
Huliin niyo sila.
Baba si Marcos! Baba si Marcos! Baba si Marcos! Baba si Marcos! Ay!
In our group, we tackle about the past and present in Philippines politics. In the past, as we know, Ferdinand Marcos declared martial law. This law emphasizes that the Philippines will be controlled by the military. It resulted in violence, drugs, and corruption. It also came with a cost in abuse of power, and most of it was corrupted and controlled by the Marcos family. This resulted to the revolution of the first Philippine revolution in the 1990s. It resulted to this revolution was made by millions of Filipinos participated in order to oppress Marcos supremacy. So in our present politics, our judiciary system was developed with the Marcos dynasties, and they were taken out, but our current president is Marcos. But the purpose of our group role play is that to emphasize that the present time and the past is that in the past it was mostly impressed by power, but now we have the freedom to control what to express and what we can do.